I'm like jumping on this bandwagon a little bit late, but whatever. I think it's the right way to play cannabis. I bought Canopy this week, a little bit lower than where it is right now. I do not have a large position. If it doubled right now, I would hate myself because I don't own enough. And if it got cut in half, I wouldn't be so upset. But I do plan to add more. I like what they did with acreage. I think preparing themselves for the inevitability of federally approved recreational marijuana sales, even if that's 10 years from now. I think being the company that is the most prepared for that sets up this stock to be the big winner if and when that happens. So I'm long, I'm in, everyone can make fun of me. I should have been in at 30, whatever. At least I didn't buy it at 70.
I'm curious why you wouldn't go down the road of the multi-state operators like an Acreage if, in theory, if what Canopy did opened sort of the floodgates to acquisitions in the United States, why wouldn't you go to the targets as opposed to the acquirers? Because
I've never done that. I've always said, what's the best positioned, strongest company with existing revenue that actually can make money right now, that has partnerships with the big players. I've never looked for the $8 stock that could get bought for 16. And I've done pretty well in life, not chasing those types of stories. I'm not a huge speculator. I'm really more of an investor. So I wouldn't take a position and try to trade it for $5 or try to catch the next takeover. Right. And I think Canopy gives me a good chance to own a long-term winner. Sure. I could change my mind. That's where I am now mentally.
Josh, totally agree, and you're not a loser.
No, I definitely am, though.
A more cautious way to play this, which I'm playing, is through Constellation Brands, the beer and wine producer.
I feel you. I looked at that option.
In Canopy.
My only issue with that is if the alcohol business is terrible, you won't get the benefit of what Canopy is doing.
So I own that too, but the reason I own that one is because it's a restructuring
Which
play.
one? You own STZ?
I see STZ.
Okay.
Because it's a restructuring play. If you look at the chart where it's come off, a couple of bad quarters, the whole business is changing, and they've gotten rid of some of the wine business, and I think that's why I want to own it, and I get the option value of.
What are they doing well with? Are they doing well with beer?
They're doing well
with
with
that's a tough market, too.
No, they're
volumes are declining in beer, aren't they?
Their brands are improving. They've sold off their wines. They're restructuring. Their operating leverage is coming up, and then you got the option value.
5-year hold, gun to your head. Do you want seed? And you actually believe so? Cannabis should be a $10 billion industry in the United States, right? So, gun to your head, you can't do any buys or sells for 5 years. Would you play that trend that I'm describing through STZ or through Canopy?
I do through STZ because STZ owns 40% of Canopy. Plus, they have the option rights to not get diluted when the acreage.
Correct. They can buy more if
they can buy more. Exactly.